Hi guys, welcome to Quiz Frenzy. Can you guess the logo just by hearing the song in today's video? Let's go. Can you get this first logo? Which logo sounds like this? Yes, that is Nokia. On to the next one. Which logo has this unique sound? You got it. It is Netflix. Here comes another one. Which logo has this melody? Yes, that is Coca-Cola. Let us move along. Which logo has this catchy tune? You got it. It is TikTok. Are you ready for this one? Which logo sound feels familiar? Yes, that is WhatsApp. Next up for you. Which logo carries this sleek tone? You got it. It is Audi. Let us keep going. Which logo plays this cheerful sound? Yes, that is McDonald's. Here comes the following one. Which logo rings like this? You got it. It is Taco Bell. Moving ahead now. Which logo has this playful tune? Yes, that is Burger King. Try this next one. Which logo sound is clear like this? You got it. It is Target. Here we go again. Which logo has this friendly jingle? Yes, that is IKEA. Another one for you. Which logo gives this classic tone? You got it. It is Yahoo. We are not done yet. Which logo sounds like this connection? Yes, that is Skype. Listen closely to this one. Which logo begins with this grand theme? You got it. It is 20th Century Studios. Almost at the end. Which logo carries this magical music? Yes, that is Disney. Final one here. Which logo opens with this strong sound? You got it. It is Universal Pictures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.